Hi lock lovers, it's me Natty Ann showing you how to enjoy the journey. So today I wanted to give you guys a few ideas on how to wear your locks when you're going out to a concert. Now right now, as you can see, my hair is retwisted and my hair is down. Of course you can do this style, but no, I want to get a little funky with you guys. So let's try some funkier hairstyles. Let's show our creativity. Let's be a little extra to see our favorite artists. Let's go. Ladies, we have the first style here. What should I call this one? I'm not sure what I want to call this. Maybe Bantu Queen. That's what this is giving. Like, my favorite hairstyle is Bantu Knots. I don't do it often, but I just love to dress up. Let's say maybe wear something a bit on the elegant side and then pair it with this funky hairstyle, this Afrocentric hairstyle. It just, the juxtaposition of it, it just match made in heaven. The Bantu knots do not have to be perfect. I am not a perfectionist, so if you are, do you. But I just think it adds something to the style where you just throw these knots up. You know, maybe leave a couple locks down for a little razzle dazzle. Not to take away from the hairstyle, but you know, add some accessories that just give you the vibe you're looking for. And here it is. I'm just here for the vibes, you guys. Like, what is this giving? Alien superstar? It's easy to do. I'm never gonna steer y'all wrong. I'm not gonna give you a complicated hairstyle. I'm just here to give you the inspiration. I love this style. What do you think? See, this is why I don't like to come on here and tell y'all this is my favorite hairstyle, because then I do something like this that I love equally. So look at this little fringe. I have literally a curtain bang right now, okay? Are you guys getting the braid detail, the bun? Y'all getting the little length show? Come on. Come on. I changed the earring, you know. I'm not changing the top because I want you guys to focus on the style, okay? The top stays the same. I may change accessories. Think about it. When you go out, you might have a completely different look. You're not doing a neutral face. So it just shows you how versatile the hair can be. Like, okay? I look totally different than the last hairstyle. Whole new look. Same top, okay? Switch the earring. Like, it's too easy. I love this one though. I just can't claim favorites. Like, I can't. Too cute. I know. I know. At this point, I don't want to hear anybody telling me, oh my goodness, I love locks, but I love to change my hair. What y'all think I be doing? Look at this, okay? I changed my hair 3 times for you guys. 3 times. Nobody come up on my channel talking about, I want to look different. When you have locks, you can't look different. Come on now. Look at this. I have 2 big ass buns right now. Oh, you can't see? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's nothing I can do. You might have to just look at the screen. Pay for some good seats. If you can't see past my buns, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. They're big, I know. Whoever's sitting behind me, my bad. But I love it. Like, this is so good. I've only done 2 big buns like this once before, to a pool party, and my hair was much shorter, so I'm in shock that I could still pull this off. It's a lot bigger now, but I'm digging it. Now tell me, which one of you lock lovers are as bold as me? Anybody? Is there anybody that would rock this? Because I like this so much, I really don't want to take it down. I think I might have to go somewhere after this. What y'all think? It's so fun. Are y'all bold like me? Well, you guys, I got 3 hairstyles for you that would be appropriate to wear to any concert or festival. It's all about being creative and having fun. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, and then I'll tell you which one was mine. Go ahead and follow me at natty.ann on Instagram and TikTok. Remember, subscribe to this channel for more lock content, and if you're a lock lover like me, you really should. Binge watch some more of my videos. Bye, guys.